Hello there everyone, this is Tom Henney, and today I'm back again with another video. This is actually a continuation of our pick and place video using the MP2600. Now in the previous video I came over and I showed you how to use the MC read actual position so you can read the actual position of the motor. Then I also showed you how to use the conversion from L-real to real so you can use that value in your HMI. When we were actually executing the run motion, we had to come up here and double click on the run and then overwrite it, and we had motion. But there's a simpler way to do this, and that way is called Toggle Boolean. I'm going to come up here, I'm going to exit debug mode so I can make some changes to my program here. I'm going to scroll down here a little bit and give me a little bit of room, because what I want to do is I want to add a network here, and I'm going to come up here and click on the network, and I'm going to try to shorten this network up a little bit here for you. Okay, there we go. Now the first thing that I want to do is I want to assign this coil here, and the name that I'm going to give it is I'm going to give it the run. So I'm going to double click on the coil and I'm going to call it run. Next, what I want to do is I want to come over here and assign this contact. So I'm going to double click on it, and just for this project I want to call it toggle. Now next, what I want to do is I want to assign it an initial value called true. So I'll type in true, capital T, lowercase r-u-e. And next what I want to do is change the contact type from a normally open to a normally closed. Now everything looks good, so I'm going to click OK. I'm going to leave it as a local variable. So I'll click OK. Now next what I want to do is I want to come up here to the main variable worksheet here and click on it. And I'm looking for toggle, and I have my toggle bit down here. And over where it says true for initial value, I want to ensure that that's there. But I want to come up here to this TB right here, this column here, and come all the way down to my toggle and place a check mark there. So that tells the software to enable the Toggle Boolean function. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to download my changes, and if you remember, we can download the changes from here, or we could actually come over here, compile, and then open up the resource box. But I'll just click on the download changes here, and it will do it all for us. And here's all my changes. There should be no errors and no warnings. And it opened up the resource box and it downloaded, and wait for it. There it goes. So everything is downloaded now. And I'm going to exit the resource box here, and I'm going to exit that. And I'm going to come back here to my main program. Now I'm going to go over to debug mode and turn on debug mode. And everything looks good so far, but let me come down here and click on the contact. Nothing happens when I click it once. So what I need to do is I need to come up here to the online in the menu and come down to Toggle Boolean. I need to have a check mark there, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to come back here and verify that there is a check mark there, and there is. And as you can see, what they'd done was it turned on the Toggle Boolean, and I can verify that from the yellow bars on each side of the normally closed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that contact one time, and I'm going to start the motion. And when I click it, you will see the run turn to red, and I will have motion down here in the actual position. So I'm going to click it now, and it turned on my run. As you can see, my motion has been completed for the MC move, and my MC move absolute had just finished. So that's how you use the toggle boolean. It's an excellent tool for when you are writing a program and you don't have the I/O connected or even an HMI. So if you like the video, let me know, leave a message. Otherwise, I'll see you next video.